Oh, so rough around here. I remember when I was on my vacation. It was pretty fun. But at least I have my backpack ready. It's time to go home, I guess. Ah, ugh, I'm never gonna find me out of here. Oh, I'm finally home. At least I can sit on my couch and relax. Just gotta get changed though. Seriously, you need to get changed too. Ugh, take a backpack and my tie and my kicks. Do I only have skull stuff? No. God. So Teeth, you need to get rid of some of your stuff you have. I know you don't want to, but sometimes you do. And you don't need this. Even though it does look pretty cute on you. Okay, fine, maybe I do need it. Well, yeah. You can keep your coat, but this, no. And yeah, we will need it. So, we don't need it. Okay, you can keep your cat. And that's the best. You look cute. Let's get some more clothes. Oh, these clothes are really expensive. I can't afford this. I'm broke. I'm broke. I'm broke. I am broke. Ah, this is mostly for school. Maybe that's all I need. School is pretty overpacked though. I can't believe I had that crazy dream about my vacation. Remember, Sir Teeth? Aw. Your little candle. I'm gonna tap on you. I guess you can go to sleep. Do you wanna go to sleep? I guess so. Okay. Hmm. Are you okay? Yeah, I hope you're okay. Sir Teeth, I demand you gotta be good. Now let's sell some stuff. I don't want that plant pot anyways. Sorry, plant pot, but you gotta go, you gotta go, you gotta go. Me painting, you gotta go, you gotta go. Everyone, obviously just go anyways. Let's just take all of this stuff and empty the house. Of course, because I'm gonna get some new furniture. That's 2 deep. That means yes. What? Now this is amazing what it has in here. I can make this place a restaurant if I tried. This is nice. A beehive chair. That's right for 30. Cardboard chair. I don't know why, but I guess we're getting it. I guess that's it. Let's go place down our furniture. It's not a lot, but it's still good enough because you get something nice to sit in. Hold on, Sir Teeth. I'm gonna get everything ready for you. Just let me get my cardboard chair out and your beehive chair. There you go. We can even sit in this chair. Nice, isn't it? It's a throne. You gotta get working. Just kidding. You must be very happy to try to attack that, well, fake bee. Cause it's not a bee. It's not land. That is not a real bee. Once we're out from it, it's probably effect, so. Wait, I don't want to adopt a new pet. There's stuff in the kitchen, there's stuff in the kitchen. Looks like it's time to go to bed then. Oh, because I'm, tired and... Let's have a big picture. Oh, I don't know why we could have done this on holiday. Not vacation. Oh well. Well, thank you guys for watching. That'll be it. Cat is out. Bye guys.